Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check unfollow list on Facebook. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your Facebook app. Tap on three-line menu. Tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now tap on content and preference. Now tap on unfollow. And finally show your unfollow list on Facebook. Here you can unfollow any friend you like. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.